Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you festive red Christmas nails that this season go look. With the holiday quickly approaching, it's never too early to start getting some inspiration on what to do with your nails for Christmas. Red Christmas nails are classic that never goes out of style. So we have compiled around a maximum design nail art design with really shine this holiday season. Head down to see our list of nail design ideas and check the nail trend tips below. If you are not sure whether you are going for red this Christmas, below this video helpful to you to capture the trends in 2022, including green Christmas nails, pink or red as well. The roundup includes of section Christmas nail designs that are easy to do at home as a simple DIY, but also some advanced design with nail art that's easier to replace in nail salon. Save your favorite and give your nails that extra festive sparkle they need this Christmas. Current trend of red Christmas nails is red nails are an absolute classic for Christmas and everyone loves the embrace of color of the seasons. There are many ways you can experiment with it and many other color combination that work with red. Some trends that have been coming up every year include: number one is Christmas classic single tone red nail is quality nail polish, which you can easily do at home. This look then elevated by pretty rings and other accessories. Red with golden glitter or gemstone. This is another example of a simple look that you can do at home. All you need is some quality nail polish. Red individual nail art. Each nail is decorative in theme nail art, but with a cohesive theme and color scheme that make the nail look on trend. Snowflakes are a big this hit this year. The white nail art or stickers you can buy online elevate a simple red nail to next level and don't require expert skill to execute. Christmas red nail tips: if you want to keep your nails looking elegant but would like to add a nod to the season, using just your nail tips is a great way to make them look more festive. Your festive nail inspiration: best red nail designs. Hopefully you like this video. If you like, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.